Alright everybody, here's the date and time. We are here at Great Wolf Lodge in Kansas City, Kansas. And today we're going to be doing a tour of all the elevators here. We're going to be starting with the two main elevators. And then we're going to be ending at this. We have a total of 5 elevators to traffic. 4 glass and 1 service. We'll end at the service. We'll get the glass elevators knocked out.
So this one we have is free close. So you're going to put your feet in between your ankle and your knee, and you're going to put your hands together your chest. The next one is standing forward then.
Four. Door close button is pushed in. We'll switch up here. This is the boring one. (2003) KONEs. Down there is the water park. They got yoga tails going on right now. See if we can watch it come up. I don't know, we might not be able to. Oh, I hear one of them. I think it's this one. Yep. Alright, let's take this one down. This is the good one. And you'll know why going up in a second. When we come back up here, you'll know why in a second why this is the good one. This is also a camera test on my new Samsung Galaxy A21. This is my first ever elevator video with my new Samsung. So I have a feeling this is going to be a good one. Oh yeah. We're not going to look out the window because you can't see anything. With this new wrap in the back, it's kind of hard to look out the window. You used to be able to see into the lobby. Yeah, door closes pushed in. It's a KONE, of course. Listen to the motor. We gotta take another ride. Just for the heck of it. But this time we'll go up. Actually, we'll do one more round trip. And then we still have the 2 glass elevators we gotta do. We'll save the one on this side down here for last. And then we'll wrap up with the service. All 5 elevators are KONEs. All of them. With the same buttons. 2003 to be the exact. 4. This time silent trip. We'll get in this corner of the cab. video still. Okay. And there she goes. We have now ridden 2 elevators. Let's go ride another one. All the way at the end of this hall. Here comes our elevator. We are coming up to the east elevator. I believe, yeah, east elevator. Looks like it might be in use. You can hear the motor a little bit. Look, it's up on 3 right now. Ooh, one's been selected. Focus. Alright. We still got 2 more elevators left to see. Pretty fast for a hydro. Okay, we have now ridden a total of 3 elevators. Let's go ride another one. It's going to be quite a walk. Like I said, there are 5 elevators at this lodge. 4 main and 1 service. Okay, so far my camera seems to be doing this video pretty well. Take a look at this other elevator at the end of that hallway at the end. You have to go through Magic Quest to it. We are in the Enchanted Forest right now. Coming up, you'll see the main elevators. Down there is the gift shop, right over there. There's the main elevators over there we just rode just a second ago. Let's head over. We still have. Here's the elevators we just rode just a second ago. Let's head over. There's the restaurant. Front desk is over there. Alright, here we go. Here's the service. We'll come back to that in just a second. Try to get the public ones first. And we have another KONE. All these elevators are from 2003. Each one is unique in its own way. I believe the main glass elevators are submersible units, and I believe the service is a dry power unit. I am not sure. So far my camera seems to be cooperating very well. We're looking at 12 minutes of video. Here we go. It's up on 4. Chime's messed up. Empty elevator. This one's got the fan on it. Same hallway as off the east elevator. This is the west side that we're on. This is the west elevator. You can see out the window just a hair bit. It's kind of hard to see though with the wrap. Send you 4. We'll get up on 3 since we'll catch the service easy down there. Well, you can look, those kind of pushes in. Here we go. Let's go to 3. Alright. So far we have ridden 4 elevators. Once we get off, we gotta ride another one. We still have another elevator. Oh, I never got to get a look at the cab. The cabs in the main elevators are like dark or black, just like this back part here. Okay, watch it close. Okay, we have now ridden 4 elevators. Let's go ride another one. Okay. Here we go. You ready? All right. And last but not least is the service elevator. have it all to myself. Oh, this is a good one. Another 2003 KONE, of course. No one here. Wow. More. Very nice elevator. Take one more ride. Listen to that motor one more time. This is the good one. Let's go down to so this door is going to open too. We'll send this one up though when we get off though to hear the motor. The motor on this will knock your socks off. Both doors are going to open. Listen to the motor.